Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a thatch rake. We're gonna see what a thatch rake is here in a second. I'll show you what it is. I'm guessing it's to clean out the thatch in the garden. So let's open it up and I'll show you what it looks like and explain how it would work, because I do know how these work. Take off the tape. And this is, oops. What it looks like. It comes with all the screws and stuff you need to put the bar together. But look at this. This is the one heavy duty rake. These things are super strong. It's not like a leaf rake. This one here is going to get really in there, and so if you do it on your grass, it'll rip it through and really line it up and pull all that dead stuff, all the thatch, out of your garden. So this is what you want in your lawn or your garden or whatever like that. You can even use it to just rake up the all the dead stuff or whatever in dirt, and to make it nice and good for planting the next time. And it comes with this pole, and you can screw it together, and it'll be like there. It screws together pretty easy here. So we can get 3. So we are already probably 4 feet or 5 feet or so, and then it goes into here, and you see it's got the 2 little holes there. And it will just line up when you put that through. And we have screws and nuts. It came with 2 screws and 2 nuts, and even the little wrench and hex tool, whatever, to make it go. So we'll get, I'm gonna go break something here in my house. But this is it here, so it's good. It's got a nice handle on it, and it's got the little hole in the handle too, so you can hang it up, but you can get a good grip on it, and it's nice and metal, not going anywhere. This thing's heavy duty. And so this is gonna get the thatch out and be really good. So I like it. So thumbs up for me.